Tutorial number 12. How to update the internal version of Rango.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. In this tutorial, we'll see how to update the internal version of Rango. Before updating the internal version of Rango, you must make sure that the Rango application has been updated beforehand. You can check the version of the application by going to the Rango application, then opening the Parameter tab. If your application has not been updated, go to the tutorial How to update the Rango application. Then you have to update the internal version of Rango. To do so, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, launch the Rango GoSense application, and then pair Rango with the application. Once connected, in the Connection tab, press Rango 3.0 is available. Click here to install. A window will appear. Press Install Now to start the installation. The installation of the update takes between 5 and 10 minutes. Once the update is finished, you can check the internal version of Rango by going to the Parameters tab of the application. You know now how to update the internal version of Rango. See you soon!